Okay. Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss about second method. Second method is what here? Previously we have discussed about what? Method 1. In method 1, q of x equals to what? Any exponential function. Here, q of x equal to what here, Nana? Sin bx or any cos bx. That means q of x should be a trigonometric function. Then how we are going to find the yp here, right? So that is the thing here. See, first of all, to find yp, what we need to do here? Nothing. First, we should modify f of d into pi of d square. That means we know that f of d is a polynomial of given differential equation, right? I am writing this polynomial in what? In terms of pi of d square. That means what? How we are going to write f of d into pi of d square here? Let's take one example here, small example. That is what here, for example, here d power 4 plus d cube plus 3d square plus d minus 6. Let us assume this will be what here? F of d. Example I am taking here, right? So f of d in the form of what here? D power 4 plus d cube plus 3d square plus d minus 6, right? So this is a given polynomial of the given differential equation, right? So I am writing this f of d into what here? Pi of d square. So how I need to change this? See, nothing. Whatever the terms are they included in this polynomial, we should write that terms in what here? D square terms. So I am writing d power 4. How I am writing here? D power 4 I am writing d square whole square plus d cube I am writing d square into d plus 3d square, same as this. We can't change d as d square, so I am writing same as it is d minus 6. See, now our given polynomial turns into what here, Nana? F of d turns into pi of d square here, right? So like this we need to change the given polynomial into pi of d square, right? So then yp becomes what here? We know that yp equals what here? 1 by f of d into sin bx. If I am taking, our trigonometric function should be sin, right? So here yp equals what here? 1 by f of d into sin bx, right? Equals to, I am writing, see, f of d we are changing into what here? Pi of d square, sin bx same as this. So what I am doing in the next step? How we will get the yp here, right? So whatever the d square is there, the d square should be replaced by minus of b square, and after that solving we will get the yp here, right? Nothing, simple. B means what here, beta? Here b is the coefficient function of x here. X is what here? Theta of our trigonometric function, right? So to find yp, what I am doing here? Whatever the b here we are getting now, whatever the b we are getting in this trigonometric function, I am just replacing d square by minus of b square, d square by minus of b square, not minus of b whole square. Here I am writing here minus of b square, right? So after evaluating this, I will get the yp here, yp of sin bx, right, Nana? If instead of sin bx, if you are taking cos bx, what will be the yp here? Same as this. I am writing f of d in the form of what here? Phi of d square and cos bx here, right? Same. D square here also, d square should be replaced by what here? Minus of b square. After evaluating, what will get here? I will get the yp here, right? In case 2 is what here? For example, if pi of minus of b square should be equals to 0, that means in the d square I am replacing d square by what here? Minus of b square. Like that I am getting what here? The result should be 0. If I am getting pi of minus b square should be equals to 0, that means this part gets 0, right, Nana? This part gets 0 means what here? 1 by 0 means infinity will get. That means we are not getting any yp here, right? So to avoid this kind of condition, what I am doing here? Here see, if this minus of b square is satisfying this polynomial, right? Polynomial in d square terms. So that means I can assume that this minus minus of b square is a one of the root of this polynomial. So any given differential equation of the form is what here, pi of d square should be equals to what here, d square plus b square here, right? D square plus b square. Why? Because see, if here I am substituting what here, no? Here I am substituting d square by minus of b square. So like that I am getting 0 here. So easily I can assume minus of b square is the one of the root of this pi of d square here, right? So if it is a root, so then what will be our yp here? So yp equals to pi of d square into sin bx. We know that pi of d square should be is what, in the form of 1 by d square plus b square into sin bx, right? So the formula is what here, direct, minus of x cos bx by 2b, minus of x cos bx by 2b. If instead of sin bx what I am taking here, cos bx I am taking here, then what will be the yp here, right? So yp here, yp equals what, 1 by pi of d square cos bx equal to 1 by d square plus b square. So here pi of d square should be in the form of what here, d square plus b square into cos bx. In this type of situations, then what will be our yp here, right? So that is the yp is what here, x into sin bx by 2b, right? X into sin bx by 2b. So these are the formulas, right, Nana? Okay. If you want to note down these formulas, just pause the video and note down. Right. We'll see one problem here. Okay. So our given problem is what, Nana? See, solve d square plus 1 into y equal to sin x plus cos 2x, right? Sin x plus cos 2x, right? Okay. Now the given differential equation is what here, d square plus 1 into y equals to sin x plus cos 2x. Let us assume this is equation 1. Comparing equation 1 by general form of higher order differential equation, that is what here, beta, f of d into y equals to q of x. So here f of d equals to what here, beta, f of d equals to d square plus 1 and q of x equal to what here, q of x equal to sin x plus cos 2x, right? Now we need to find the general solution. General solution is what here, y equal to yc plus yp here. First I am finding what here, to find yc, first I am finding yc here. To find yc, what we need to write here, beta, we need to write auxiliary equation of f of d is what, Nana? Auxiliary equation of f of d is what here, f of m equals to 0. So that means we need to replace d by m. So this becomes what here, m square plus 1 equal to 0 here. So m square equals what here, minus 1. Like that m equals what here, root over minus 1, square root over minus 1. So I can write this as what here, Nana? M equals to plus or minus I can write. So I am changing this root into complex root. So I can write m equals to 0 plus or minus I. So that means which is in the form of what here, alpha plus or minus I beta. Alpha equals what here, beta, 0 and beta equals what here, 1. Coefficient of I is what here, nothing but means 1. So beta equals to 1 here, right? So roots are complex pair. So roots are complex pair. Then yc becomes what here, beta, e power, we know that if roots are complex pair, the roots are what, complementary function becomes what here, Nana? E power alpha x. Alpha means what here, 0. So 0x of c1 cos beta x, c1 cos beta, beta means what here, 1 so 1x means x only, plus c2 sin beta x, so sin beta equals to 1 only, so sin x. So finally e power 0 x means what here, e power 0, e power 0 means what here beta, 1. So finally yc becomes what here, complementary function becomes what here nana, c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, right? So this will be our yc. We got our yc here. Let assume this will be equation 2. Let assume this will be equation 2, right? Okay, now remaining part is what here, yp. Now finding yp, we know that yp equals what here beta, yp equals to 1 by f of d into 1 by f of d into q of x, where 1 by f of d means what here nana, f of d equals to d square plus 1, q of x equal to what here, sin x plus cos 2x. So I am multiplying this with this, so finally what I will get here beta, 1 by d square plus 1 into sin x plus again 1 by d square plus 1 into cos 2x. So our yp equals to what here, yp equals, here also we are getting two parts, so I can take this as yp1, this as yp2. So yp becomes what here nana, yp becomes yp1 plus yp2. So individually I am solving this yp1 and yp2, adding this both, finally I will get my required yp here, right? Okay, right Anna. Now firstly I am finding what here, yp here. So yp1 yp1 equals what here, 1 by d square plus 1 sin x. See here, b equals what here nana, 1. If I am writing this 1 as 1 square, so where b equals to 1, so that means what here beta, minus of b square equal to minus 1. If I am replacing d square by minus 1, if I am replacing d square by minus 1, what I will get here nana, I will get 0 here. So which is in the second case, right? Second case, see, so this will be the formula here, right? See, this will be the formula here, 1 by d square plus b square into sin bx, which is in the form of what here, which is in the form of what here beta, 1 by d square plus b square into sin bx, right? Then our yp becomes what here nana, directly we will get yp by formula here, so that is what here, minus x cos bx, our sin becomes cos and by 2b, right? So by using up this formula I am writing my yp here. So yp1 becomes what here nana, see, yp1 becomes what here, 1 by d square plus 1 square sin x equals what here, equals to minus x, same as it is, cos bx, cos b means what here, 1, so 1x means x only, 2 into 1, so our finally yp1 becomes what here, minus x cos x by 2, right? So this is what here nana, our yp1. Next we need to find what here, yp2. yp2 is what here, 1 by d square plus 1 into cos 2x. So that means pi of minus b square should not be equals to 0 here. How I am saying this? See here, which is here b is what here, 2, and here d square plus, in the place of b what we are having here, 1. So that means these both are not equal, so we'll get, obviously we'll get what here beta, pi of minus b square should not be equals to 0, right? Okay, now I am using first case. So what I am doing here, you just put d square equals to minus of b square. Minus of b square, here b equals to what here beta 2. So what I will get, minus of 4, b square means 2 square 4. So that means d square should be replaced by minus 4, right Nana? So I am replacing that. Finally what I am getting here, in the place of d square I am keeping minus 4 plus 1 cos 2x. Same as it is I am writing here. Same as it is I am writing here. Here I am mentioning the formula also for your easy understanding purpose. 1 by pi of d square into cos bx equals what in Nana? 1 by pi of minus b square into cos bx. Same as this, nothing will be changes. In this case sin becomes cos, right Nana? If pi of b square, pi of minus of b square should be equals to 0, then we use case 2. In this case 2, sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin here, right? This will be in the case of what here, pi of minus of b square should not be equals to 0. In this case sin will be sin only, cos will be cos only, there is no any change, right Nana? Okay, so by using of this formula I am writing this. So finally 1 by minus 3, so minus here I am writing here 3 into cos 2x. So I can write yp2 equals what Nana? Minus of cos 2x by 3. Okay, here I got yp1 and yp2 here. Finally I need to get what here? Yp. So our yp equals what here Nana? yp1 plus yp2. So finally yp equals to yp1 equals what here? Here I am getting yp1. See, yp1 equals what here? Minus of x cos x by 2, minus of x cos x by 2, right? yp2 equals what here? This yp2 equal to this minus cos 2x by 3, right? Finally general solution of equation 1 is what here Nana? Equation 1 is y equals to yc plus yp. Y equals to yc plus yp. So here I am writing solution here. Finally y equals to what here Nana? c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. That only, right? We got in this first page, right? See our yc, right? So this is our yc, right? c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, right? Now yp equals what here? Minus x cos x by 2 minus cos 2x by 3. So this will be the required solution for given differential equation. Clear Nana? Right. Thank you.